Hello and welcome to the fourth video or the fourth question of the Power BI certification exam, and this question is related to the row level security. As you know that soon I'm going to give the exam, and that is why I have prepared a lot of questions and I'm showing it to you. So this is the row level security question, and the question is that in Power BI desktop, where must row level security be configured when connecting via a live connection to analysis services? Number one, A is in Power BI desktop, in the analysis service model, in the Power BI desktop and analysis service model, and finally fourth option is RLS cannot be applied in this scenario. So think through this, that what is your option or what answer you will going to give in this scenario, and research will going to help you find the right answer. So if you want to attempt questions like this, what I have done is I have created a 60 questions power bank which has the most practical questions related to the Power BI certification, and you can buy it, and you can then generate your responses like this, and it will show you where you have the where you are setting. Like in this case, one person has taken the exam and 33 points have been secured. So this is something which you will find it immensely useful when you will be preparing for your exam, and I will be releasing much more information about that, or much more question papers related to that. So all of this will soon come to you as an announcement. All of the links related to this exam paper and couple of other links is present in the description. So make sure you verify all the information in description, as it will going to take a lot of time to explain it over here. So with that, I'll now meet you in the new video with a new topic.